All right, so first question, what the heck is digital? What does that mean when it comes to organizing? I know there's a lot of definitions that people may have. They're not sure what digital actually is. So if we could have someone actually define it for us.
I'm happy to take this one first.
Yes.
It is a big question. So I would actually put this into two different definitions. I put this in the context of mobilization, and then another in the context of organizing. When it comes to mobilization work, that's the context of bringing a lot of people together to take collective action. When I think about digital, that is purely technology and how it serves the purposes of bringing people together to take one collective action at mass. The other side of that is when in the context of organizing, digital is a way that we build community, that can be in the way that we identify communities or develop communities and how we support them. Digital comes in the form of being able to support everything from fundraising, organizing around shared issues and causes. But purely, in my opinion, digital is to serve as an asset and a resource in all the organizing and mobilization work we do across the space. That's my definition.
Thank you. Does anyone else want to share?
I actually think this is a really difficult question because I think every cycle the scope of digital expands to the point. So does organizing. So the point that Kiana, you and I have had this conversations too. Like, at what point does the digital department, on a campaign make sense when the whole campaign is digital in some way, right? In every single aspect, from the candidates day to day to messaging with voters to fundraising, capacity building. So I think part of what's really fascinating that everyone at this conference and in this space work on is to determine what are the different ways that to specialize within digital, right? Within the organizing space, within the mobilization space, and within just even the day-to-day operations of a campaign. I mean, since COVID, I remember in 20, the digital director essentially became the deputy campaign manager because the whole campaign all of a sudden became digital, right? So I think we always have to assess what digital means every year, right? Not just in general.
Yeah, I totally agree that digital is this big, mammoth of a thing that's kind of hard to define. But for me, I like to distill it down to tools, technology, and tactics that we use to win money, to earn money, to win votes, to spread our message. That's just kind of how I like to distill it. And sorry if my mic is giving you a lot of back feed. Thank you so much. But yeah, I think for me, it's just tools, technology, tactics. But at the heart of it, good digital organizing is just, to Jose's point, just good organizing, using these these other tactics to more effectively reach voters where we know they all are, which is online.